for such a warm welcome and energetic performance. I humbly request Honorable Chief Minister Sir and respected dignitaries to have. This is the Swami Atmanand English Medium School of Excellence, Tarbahar. This is the glimpse of Swami Atmanand English Medium School of Excellence, Lala Lajpat Rai. And this is the glimpse of Swami Atmanand English Medium School of Excellence, Mangla.
जो उनकी एंट्री वाला है ना इसमें सेंड कर दूंगा।
मेरा हाथ बहुत हिल रहा है।
ज़्यादा हो गई थी क्या?
उसकी बात नहीं है भाई यार।
सुनहरे भविष्य का सपना हो रहा साकार, शिक्षा के नए आयाम गढ़ने संकल्पित है छत्तीसगढ़ सरकार। थैंक यू। Call Ritika Tandon, student of class 8, to present her view.
Good evening to all. My name is Ritika Tandon from class 8. First of all, I want to say thank you to my parents, to my teachers and all to support me and gave me opportunity to say something in front of you all. So thank you. A very warm welcome to our chief guests, our respected teachers and all my dear friends who support me. A very warm welcome. Sir, I am continuing same. Yes, sir. I stand here to talk about my school. I study in Swami Atmanand Government English Medium School situated in Tarbahar, Bilaspur. As we all know that school is the most sacred place where one gets his or her education. Education is the reflection of every progress society and country. With the positive thinking of our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Bhupesh Baghel, the government has realized the dreams of those poor families who were not able to provide private English medium schools to their children. The government has added another link in the management of better education of talented children from poor families. These are the government schools of English medium where the initiative impart free national level education should be provided and has been started. This school has been started in the name of Swami Atmanand to promote it, teaching and learning in English medium. Education is the pillar of success. Education is what will separate us from others. In this my school speech, I will tell you why I love my school and what my school taught me. The most touching feature of my school is the best teacher. Their faculty appointed for teaching. All teachers are competent and hard workers, loving as well as caring. They not only teach us but keep us active and energetic in both curricular and non-curricular activities that encourage us a lot. This is the main reason why I love my school. My school has the best facility of library, computer lab, playground, science lab and all. The library of my school is very big and keep all types of books in it. My school also teaches some other great things like first of all it teaches basic education to develop our skill like dance, art, craft, creativity, public speaking and leadership qualities are inculcated in the students to lead the nations tomorrow. They also teach us some physical activities like scout guide with good disciplines. Not only it provides us education, but it is a tool of building character of the nation. I am blessed to study in such a great school. Thanks, sir, for providing us such a great school. And in last, I only want to say that Chhattisgarh sabse badhiya. Thank you.
Now I humbly request Honorable Chief Minister Sir to address the audience. Last but not the least, I would like to invite humbly our motivator, respected principal, Usha Chandra ma'am to conclude the function with vote of thanks.
As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not